Hi, it's Naomi here, and I'm about to show you how to upgrade your 4D Concepts account. First, log into your dashboard. Then, once you've logged in, click on the Upgrade Account link found in the header. Once you get to the upgrade page, you'll be presented with multiple plan options. Select the appropriate subscription plan based on what you are looking for. Next, please enter a few company details for us. Then, once you've done that, please make sure to fill out all the fields on the payment page. Your payment will be processed by our third-party payment processor, Stripe. Once your payment has processed, we will send you a receipt confirming your transaction with us. And then once you've done all that, you're all set to use your newly upgraded account. If you'd like to make changes to your subscription plan in the future, just go to your profile page on the dashboard. For more helpful tips and tutorials, go to the support page on our website and subscribe to our YouTube channel.